curious how a Michelin star chef makes mashed potatoes, so I looked up Thomas Keller's method and gave it a go. He has you boil the potatoes and then return them to the pot to dry them off, rice them into warm butter and cream, and enjoy. These were seriously the best mashed potatoes I've ever made, and I hope you love them. Thanks, Thomas. They are the best. They are so good. There are 3 things that make this my ideal mac and cheese. It's saucy and delicious, the noodles stay al dente, and the broccoli adds the perfect balance to the creamy, cheesy sauce. It's my favorite mac, and I'm excited for you to try it. Enjoy. It is the best mac. It is so dreamy.